Hello America, Mark.Kelson here today, Junction City Guaranty RV, to present to you a 2019 Thor Vegas 24.1. Just came in yesterday. Let's go inside and see what it has to offer. Coming inside, easy to step into, lots of room in the living area, beautiful flooring, easy to clean up, little couch that makes into a bed. A lot of lighting, beautiful cabinetry. Coming over here, huge sink, little lift up right there, nice faucet, 2-burner stove top. You have the convection micro down there, and a lot of little storage areas in this coach. Again, a lot of cabinetry up here. Coming back here, you have the Dometic 2-door refrigerator freezer. And then what we have is this little bathroom that closes off and makes kind of a big bathroom so you can have some privacy and get everything done you need to. Very cool. Coming into the back, you walk right down the center. This is 2 twin beds, and you put this right in the middle and it makes a king bed. It's pretty awesome. You do have a TV in here, right up against there, so you can lay down and watch it. You have all your dials. You have a charging center, a radio back here, your Coleman for your heat, rear window, and a lot of storage over the top. Let's go up front and see what it has to offer. Now, I've put this bed in the down position, so you do have an extra bed. Oh, we don't want to do that. We want to do this right here. So this will go up, and then you have the 2 seats, and they do spin around to give you a little bit more seating in this area so you can sit and converse with people. Now, what I like about this coach, it's got a huge front window and side windows, so the visibility is maximum for protection and for pleasure. Coming up here, you are on the Ford. This is kind of like a Class C motorhome with a Class A body is what it is. And so you're on the Ford chassis right here. You do have your radio, your DVD, all this stuff up here. You have a night shade that comes down with the touch of a button, your generator start. Everything's right up here at the touch of your fingertips. You also have control of your mirrors over here. You do have mirror heat. On the outside of the mirrors, and we'll see it when we go outside, is the side cameras on this coach. So let's go outside and see what it has to offer. 24-foot coach, just a fun little coach to drive. I drove this to Portland one time, and it just handled extremely well. It was a fun trip. Out here you do have the entertainment center with the TV. You also have the very sleek windows, frameless windows. Look at the storage in this unit. And you have the rotocast mold little area in there. You also have a, this is a waterless water heater, so it heats it on demand. Up there you have the awning that is push of a button, comes out. Now look at this area back here. This is awesome. You have 3 areas to access this storage area, and I mean you can put everything that you want to take with you in there. Pretty awesome. Coming to the back, your ladder. Get up there, look at your roof seals, look at your air conditioner, whatever you need to do. Again, there's your rear window so you can back up to the ocean or whatever you're camping for pleasure, and just sit there in bed and look out. You do have your tow hitch down here. And I believe that is it's an 8,000 pound hitch on this coach. Coming around to this side, again, this is neat how these little doors just latch up there and stay like that. You do have a 4,000 watt Onan generator right there. Coming up here, here's your outdoor shower. Schwintek systems on the slide outs, 4-point. Well, let's go around to the front and see what else it has to offer. Now, I told you about the cameras on the side of the mirrors, and here they are. so that when you're going down the road, it illuminates the side and you can see any bicyclists or any cars that may be passing you on either side. Just a nice little coach for a Class A, as small as it gets, but with everything that you could possibly want. I'll tell you what, if this coach interests you or any of the coaches we have on the lot, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Mark.Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch.